I don't call it cuffing, I just call it loving. We don't wake up in the summer, and we don't keep it yeah. This is something more. Okay guys, so I'm going on a dinner date tonight and I'm trying to find the perfect look. I'm rummaging through my closet trying to figure out what I want to wear. I just wish I had this thing she had in Clueless, like it would have been perfect for tonight. And then I wish I was on America's Next Top Model so I could figure out what my hair look was going to be. And I'm just going through, this is like a literal vivid image of me going through my closet looking for what to wear. But let's prepare, let's get ready, and let's go out and do this thing. First things first, we prep. So it is so important to prep yourself before you're going anywhere, but most importantly, before you're going out. Like, I feel like if you're going out at night, if you're going to dinner, you're going on a date, going out on a girls' night, just anything like that, it's so important to like give your body grace and give yourself grace and like really take time and like do all those little like self-care things. I feel like it's so important. Like, I feel like every single time I go out I have to do it. Like, I use the best smelling body wash and the best skincare, like even oils, girl. I use the shower oil because it's so important. Like, I want my skin to be soft and luscious. I want to smell good, like everything. So after we finish the shower, of course, we have to take care of our skin. We have to do our face care. Super important. I always wear SPF no matter what because I really want to protect my skin on my face. So I'm just going in and getting myself together. I honestly like eat this up. Like, I eat it up. Like, I love the self-care stuff. Going in, that Brazilian bum bum, if you don't have it, run, don't walk. Like, I'm not playing. So yeah, I'm just getting myself together, and now we are about to get into, girl, look, I was too excited. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth. If you don't brush your teeth before you go somewhere, what are you doing? Let's get started. Step 2, Inspo. So first we gotta set the vibe, right? Like, you don't want to start getting ready and you don't have a vibe set. Like, what are you doing? So I have to light my candles. I get my stuff together. I make sure everything is nice and neat because I want my space to be clear for when I trash it with all my makeup and my hair products, because y'all know when you get ready, that's what happens. So I'm trying to figure out what my look's gonna be, right? What's the aesthetic? Y'all know when y'all sit down and you're going out, you have to look on Pinterest, look on Instagram, you know, get a vibe for what you're feeling. What kind of hairstyle do I want? Do I want a little bang action? Do I want curls? Do I want straight? Like, I always have to know, like, have a vision of what I'm going for, or else, baby, I'm gonna be late, and I'm already late, so I can't be later than I already am. I also try to figure out what kind of makeup look I want. Do I want a side part? Do I want a middle part? Do I want bombshells? Do I want tight curls? And then the outfit. Y'all know how hard it is to find an outfit before you go somewhere. So I'm like, okay, do I want casual? Do I want dressy? Am I going to a gala, babe? Like, do I want to be luxurious? What is it giving, you know? Like, and that was cute right there. And I was thinking that's going to be my look, but I wasn't for sure. So after I figure out my outfit, then it's time for step 3. We transform into the baddest, okay? So we gotta get this hair done first. I did cut off a little bit too much of my little cap, but it's okay because I'm just wearing a 5x5 closure wig. I also install my wigs all the time, so I know how to finesse this. But if you don't install your wigs, please don't do that. Don't copy this part because I just know how to make it work. If you're a beginner, I do not recommend. But yeah, going in, putting my glue, we're gonna melt the lace, we're gonna melt the wig. Also, the reason I didn't go back and just like fix that is because I'm only gonna have this on for the night. Once I get back in that bag, maybe I'm taking that wig off. It's not staying on my head. But yeah, so I'm going in ahead and installing the wig, making sure it's secure, because one thing it's not gonna do is blow away in the wind. And it was raining that day, so like I was not about to take any chances. This process always takes so long, I feel like, when you're actually installing your hair, because you want it to look nice, obviously, and you want to take your time. So I always like a whole hours for me to get ready when I know I'm going somewhere where I want to look really nice, just because I want to look how I want to look. Like, I refuse to leave the house not looking exactly the way I want, like not looking like a perfect gem. Like, if you relate, comment down below, because I literally, like, it's just such a thing for me. I was like watching this back, I didn't even realize I love when I do a side part, like swooping it in and curving it in, and I did not do that. I don't know why. I don't know if I was just like rushing or not paying attention, because baby, I was late at this point. I think it was like 8 o'clock here, and I needed to be where I was at 9 o'clock. And y'all know I run late, but I was like, let me hurry up. Ooh. But yeah, so we're going in with the little, oh my god, this is like the most perfect product ever, the Revlon like blow dryer little curler thing. I'm obsessed with it. I use it all the time. Definitely get it. I got it from Target. It's pretty cheap also. It's like in the 20s, maybe 30s, I don't remember, but and I know they have it on Amazon. But yeah, I'm just rolling up the first 2 pieces of my hair because I want it to give body. Now we're getting into the makeup, my favorite part. If you know anything about me, I love doing my makeup. Like, I love taking my time to just like do my makeup. It's like soothing for me, like self-care. So we're just going in. If I'm going somewhere that I know I'm gonna sweat a lot, or I know it's gonna be like hot, and I live in Florida, so I do this anyways, but I always go in and put like loose powder on my face before I start the makeup look. I always start with my eyebrows also. I know some people do their face and then go to the eyebrows, but I just cannot get around it. Like, I love doing the eyebrows first. Like, I feel like once my eyebrows are done and perfected, then like I know I'm gonna look good. Like, I don't know, it's just a thing. Like, I don't know, it's just a thing. And then I know some people, like especially now, they don't do the whole like cleaning up the eyebrows underneath or on top anymore, but I live for that. Like, I eat it up. Like, I have to do it. I just love a nice clean cut crease brow. Like, there's nothing better in life to me. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. If the brows are not on point, like, do you feel your best? Like, no. But yeah, I'm going over the top with a little foundation color. Y'all don't mind while that looks. All of that split in my makeup bag. But I'm going in with the Dior Summer Glow and then the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish. Now, this is my summer foundation, so it's a little orange, but it will oxidize. You guys will see. But yeah, this is my summer color. And it's definitely like, I need a different color. Even though it was just summer, but it was just like, babe, I need a different color. It was like the beginning of summer color, and I need like an end of summer color, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so now I'm just going in with my concealer. I love the blend of concealer. Like, it's actually one of my favorite parts of doing makeup. I just love seeing everything like blend in together, and I always let my concealer dry for a little bit before I blend it out. That's a little trick Miss Jackie taught me, and it just helps you be able to keep it in place instead of the concealer moving around everywhere. Lifelong hack. Okay, you need to know this. The girlies that do the makeup, you must know that. But yeah, I'm just blending. I'm obsessed with like this part of makeup, like this part, and doing like the pressed powder and the loose powder. I'm like obsessed with it. But yeah, at this point, y'all, I was actually stressed because girl was late and I was running so behind. I was trying to hurry up, but again, like I said, I refused to leave not looking the way I look. Like, it's just a thing. Like, I can't help it. I can't help my ways. So I'm going in with the Fenty contour stick. I love all Fenty products, especially the contour sticks. I feel like they're so easy to use. And I'm just gonna spread that around all the areas that I want to snatch. I love snatching the face. Like, it's nothing better. Yeah, I'm going in again with my concealer, so I always go over the top again with a lighter concealer just to highlight those little areas that I want. You see it? Yeah, you see it. And I'm going in and just blending it all out because you need to do that. Make sure you take time when you're blending also. Like, obviously my video is sped up because of time purposes. I don't want y'all to be here forever, but it's so important to make sure you blend everything out. Like, you'll see at a part of this video, I forgot to blend out like where my chin is, but I did end up obviously going back and fix it. I did not go out like that, don't worry. But as I was filming, I didn't even realize it until the end. I'm sitting here like, what? But yeah, I did go back in and fix it. So now I'm going in with my powder. I'm using the Bobbi Brown loose setting powder. This one smells so good and I love the consistency. This is a good one. So yeah, I'm just going in with that, putting that in the areas that I want to snatch. Now for the bottom half of my face, I don't like to put too much of the loose powder on there just because I feel like it leaves a little cast and I don't really like that. Like, I don't know if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, so I always go in and press it in a little bit more on the bottom and before I let it sit. So now I'm just gonna let it bake and sit there, and then I'm gonna go in with my bronze from Juvia's Place. This is like one of my all-time favorite products. It looks so, honestly, Juvia's Place is like close top of my list. Like, they're up there with the good ones because they have never failed me. Like, they have yet to fail me. But yeah, I love this product. It's super good bronze. My sister put me on that one, actually. Shout out to her. She knows which one she is. But yeah, I really like that. Going in with the nose, I always do the contour on the nose. I just like the little snatched nose look. And, you know, I like it. I don't know. And I always go in and pull it through to my eyelids. I just feel like it gives a more like natural finish. Now do the eyes. I'm still baking, notice. If I'm doing something where I really want that airbrush flawless look, I will bake for a little bit. That's just my thing. Obviously you can do whatever you want, but that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm going in with my eyeshadow. And then I'm going in with a glitter. You guys don't know the chokehold of putting glitter on my eyelids has on me. Like, every time I'm like, okay, matte eye, nope, always put the glitter on. Like, I literally can't. I cannot not put the glitter on. I'm just obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm going in, putting the glitter on my eyelids. Look at that, so cute. And then I'm going in with the Juvia's Place. I don't know if it's Juvia's Palace or Juvia's Place. Like, please don't come for me. But I'm going in with the blush. Look how like, oh my. Every time I see that, I'm just like, perfect. Every time I open it, perfect. It's so good. I always do a brown lip liner, especially because I have like smaller lips. So I always do a brown lip liner. Like, it never fails. Lip liner has never failed me, and it never will. And I'm going to continue to lose it. And I'm going to continue to overlap my lips. Like, mind your business. And so I'm going in with a eyelash curler. What do I have in a lash glue? What do I have in a lash glue? And then it was at that point that I knew I messed up. Like, how the hell am I going out and I don't have lash glue? What? From a lash babe herself? Like, I wear lashes everywhere. Like, I wear lashes religiously. I don't know what was going on with that. And I feel like a lash like just snatches the look together. But you know, we can always appreciate our natural lashes. And then I always add my faux freckles. I have freckles on my face before, well, not freckles, but like beauty marks on my face before I put makeup on. And then I just add a few because I just like it. So I always do that. And then I'm going in with that Rare Beauty. That's a really good product. Rare Beauty is actually a pretty good line. And I like the little highlighter that she has. So I just went in there with that. And then I like blend it out, obviously. And look at the material. Yes, like, it's giving glowy, it's giving angel energy. And so now we're gonna go in and take out the rollers. Now just know, when you do rollers, especially the ones that stick to hair, it's not gonna come out curly. It's just gonna give you more volume, which is what I was going for. They did end up falling because it was at this point that I found out that the restaurant I was going to closed like an hour after we're supposed to get there. And I was literally rushing. Like, I was so late. I think at this point it was like 8:45. The restaurant was like literally like 30-minute drive for me or something like that. But yeah, look at the volume. Look at the body. It's giving body, yada, 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 yada. Look at it. Like, I felt like a little, I don't know, them girls back in the day that had those like little bump ends. Y'all know them, what I'm talking about. But yeah, it looked really cute. Like, it was giving volume. It was giving everything. I was obsessed with it. It was a look. And now we have the decision. What am I gonna wear? So here's look number one. I was really feeling this one, actually. Like, I feel like she did what she needed to do. You can never go wrong with a white number. And the green, I feel like, just gave it a nice pop of color. Like, she was cute. And then we had the pink. Pink is my favorite color. I'm obsessed with monochromatic looks, so I really like this one. But I wasn't sure if it was good for like a dinner. I feel like it was kind of casual, but it was still cute. Like, it still gave. And then I was super obsessed with this set. I mean, look at it against my skin. So pretty. Like, I felt like it was a perfect color, a really cute outfit, but I felt like it might be too much for dinner. Maybe more of like a club scene or going out, but it was cute too. All right, y'all. What do you think I wore? yes, if you guessed right, you were correct. She was just so, look, she was giving, it was giving everything, it was giving bombshell, it was giving beautiful. I loved it. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what your favorite look was. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.